Tired of just watching Memecoins explode? Let's create your own using Pocketfi. First, head over to Pocketfi's website and connect your wallet. Make sure you have enough cryptocurrency for gas fees, then navigate to the Create Token section. Next, fill out the token creation form. Choose a catchy token name and a unique token symbol. Decide on the number of decimal places, usually 18 is standard. Then, determine the total supply of your Memecoin. Be reasonable. Now, let's talk distribution. A great strategy is community airdrops to generate hype. Allocate tokens to a liquidity pool for trading, and reserve some for marketing and future development. Time to build your community. Create engaging content on social media, share memes, run contests, and interact with your followers. Back on Pocketfi, add liquidity to a decentralized exchange to enable trading. Monitor your token's performance and keep engaging with your community. Track analytics to see how your coin is performing and adapt your strategy. Remember, community is key to a successful Memecoin. Building a successful Memecoin takes effort, but with Pocketfi, a solid strategy, and a passionate community, you're on your way.